Ever wondered why some people seem to control any situation effortlessly? The answer may lie in Law 20 of the 48 Laws of Power. It's quite simple, yet astoundingly effective. It suggests, do not commit to anyone. This principle champions the importance of personal autonomy and flexibility in relationships and alliances. By not tying ourselves down, we increase our adaptability and influence, becoming masters of our own destiny. Remember, power lies in the ability to keep your options open. But what does Law 20 really mean for you and your relationships? Well, it's about cultivating your independence and flexibility across all areas of your life. Consider personal relationships. Law 20 advises not to rely too heavily on any one person. It's about maintaining a healthy level of self-reliance, fostering relationships that enrich your life, but not to the point where you lose your autonomy. Now let's turn to professional alliances. Law 20 encourages us to be independent, but not isolated. It's about forming strategic alliances that benefit you, yet not becoming so entwined that your success hinges on them. And what about self-improvement? Here, Law 20 suggests pursuing personal growth independently. It's about being the architect of your own progress, not waiting for others to give you a leg up. In essence, Law 20 advises us to remain flexible and independent in our alliances and commitments. It's about striking that delicate balance between interdependence and self-reliance. So, to wrap up Law 20, it's all about not committing to anyone, keeping your options open, and preserving your independence. This flexibility allows you to adapt to changing circumstances, making you a veritable chameleon in life's diverse situations. Whether in personal relationships or professional pursuits, Law 20 can be your guiding principle, aiding self-improvement. Harness the power of Law 20. Stay flexible, stay independent, and watch as you navigate life's challenges with ease and grace.